Tonight's homework is chapter 10, 51 to 56. We're going to do some of them, not all of them. The first one I'll do, I think 51, is not too difficult, or you could check out Hot Math too. 52, absolute value of x equals 4. Well, that means we need numbers that have a distance from 0 of 4. So that would be 4 and negative 4. The next one, absolute value of x equals 100. That'd be positive 100 and negative 100. The next one, absolute values of x equals negative 3. Well, is there any number that can have a distance from 0 of negative 3? No. There's no number that can, nothing can have a distance, a negative distance. So there is no solution. The next one's tougher. X minus 2 equals 5. So we need two different ways to get an absolute value of 5. So one is, it could equal 5, and the other is it could equal negative 5. So let's think, x minus 2 equals 5, well then x has to be 7. So think about that, 7 minus 2 is 5, absolute value will be 5. Or it could be x minus 2 could equal negative 5. Add 2 to both sides and you get x equals negative 3. Now I know it's strange that these two answers don't match up, but let's put this in and check it out. Take negative 3 and plug it in here. Negative 3 minus 2, that's negative 5. Absolute value is positive 5. So when you see addition and subtraction inside the absolute value bars, oftentimes your answers will not look like they're very well related, but they are. 53. The question is, which one of these are equal to 1? More than one might be the case. First thing is the top one, this is definitely 1. 2x plus 3 is the same thing as 3 plus 2x, so that's 1. The bottom one, let's just distribute this 6x minus 2, that would become 6x minus 12. Oh, yep, it's 1. Okay? You could also factor the top to find that out. The bottom one, if we factor this and we get this stuff, it should tell us that it's 1. 2x times x. And again, you're going to have to use a box method to do this. Plus 2 minus 3. And that's true. So when I factored it, I got the same thing. That thing is 1 as well. The next one, though, when you take x over 2, flip the other one over, make that x over 2, not 1. Whoops, I just clicked on the wrong slide. This thing is not 1. It'll be x squared over 4. Okay, 54, I skipped A and B. I think you can handle those. 54C. The reason I want to do that one is it's got the trick in it. Negative 2x is less than negative 2. And when you divide by negative 2, switch that symbol around and make it greater than. Okay, my pen looks like it's about to fail me here. Here, we want to get the x out of the bottom. Remember, think about our fraction busting techniques. So we're going to multiply by 3x on the left. Sorry, this pen is really going crazy. Oh no. And that's 3x on the right side. Now, this will be 15x over x, which will be plain old 15. And this will be 3x over 3, which will be x. And that's the end of that. So again, fraction busting helped us a lot. 55 is this one. Think about a fraction busting technique. What do they all go into? 200. So you multiply by 200 everywhere. And I'll just tell you the step. This one will be 3. Now 200 over 50 will be 4x. And 200 over 100 will be 2, so multiply those, you get 14, and then you guys can solve from there. 56. Mr. Nguyen has decided to divide $775 among his 3 daughters if the oldest gets twice as much as the youngest. Okay, so, and the middle gets 34 more than the youngest. So we've got our youngest is y. The oldest gets twice as much as the youngest. That's 2y. And the middle gets 35 more. That's y plus 35. And that has to equal 775. So, sorry, those numbers are really ugly at the end. And now, just combine all your stuff, yeah, just like that, and solve it. Okay, bye.